Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on CapCut app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to CapCut and you can click. After that, in this page of app info, you will enter to first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about CapCut if you will find here. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank